Last year, I was spending time doing things that AI now does for me in seconds. So if you are doing this manually, you are working too hard. Here are 5 AI tools that I use that save me hours daily. Yeah, so if you create content, run a business, study, or even just reply emails, you are probably spending too much time on repetitive tasks. And the crazy part, it takes just seconds to use these AI tools. Yeah, so the first one is ChatGPT. Yeah, but not the way you people know it for. Most of you give it just simple tasks like maybe give me an idea or generate an image for me. That's 2 weeks. So if you want to use ChatGPT to the best or to your best advantage, use prompts like, let's say, act like a YouTube growth strategist and give me 3 thumbnail or 3 title ideas and SEO based description and tags that will improve my CTR on my next video with maybe a high retention intro order. So with these prompts, it is going to think like how you want your video and give you the best options and the best answers so far. So using ChatGPT the right way will save you 30 minutes of brainstorming, and it just gives you those within some minutes. So now instead of guessing, you get optimized ideas easily. So it saves you time brainstorming, drafting email replies, project works, ideas, scripts, and everything. So ChatGPT is your number one tool if you want to speed up your workflow or just get ahead in your field. So this one will save you 2 to 3 hours every week if you use it the right way. So if you take notes or plan content a lot for your company or your business, you might heard of Notion AI. So Notion AI turns your unstructured notes or content into a daily routine or organized structure that allows you to follow the right procedures and be on time. You can even set reminders with the Notion AI and you get yourself organized, whether in your workspace, your school, or even your business. It allows you to turn your raw sketch or raw ideas into structured and planned notes, scripts, and even add reminders on what and what to do at a particular time just to save time and speed up your workflow. So the next one is crazy. Most people know it just for graphic work. That's Canva AI. So Canva AI is not just for graphic design. You can do stuff like resizing any image at all, sometimes even resizing video. So you can turn a vertical video into a horizontal video without losing quality. You can remove background. You can even give it a prompt to generate a graphic or to generate a design for you, and you can change each element on the design manually from text, right? Changing the text, font, colors, contrast, and everything. So if you're a content creator, don't just rely on Photoshop only. You can use Canva AI to your advantage, and this will place you on the top 1% ahead of everyone because you are just making your life, your work easier by adding AI to your normal workflow, and that's, I think, a plus for you if you are using Canva AI. And I know this might sound controversial, but Grammarly AI is the next on my list. So Grammarly AI, most of you know Grammarly to be for spell checking or maybe checking your spellings or assignment and all of that. But Grammarly AI just has more features than you think. So Grammarly AI can generate natural feel or maybe change the tone of your emails, your writings, your assignment and everything. And it can even save you time by just giving you a writing solid email so you don't find yourself repeating the same email or sending the same email over and over again to multiple people. So it will just help you change the tone. It will help you sound professional, rewrite emails and make you sound natural in your email. So save you time for rewriting emails every time when you are sending to multiple users or different users at the same time. Yeah, so the last one is the future of any business, student, or any creative out there. So this AI tool allows you to record meetings. So let's say you are in a conference meeting, press briefing, or anywhere. This AI is called OTTER. So it allows you to record everything, and at the end of the meeting or at the end of every recording, it transcribes everything into text and gives you the valid, or let's say the vital information from the note and write it as a text for you. So you'll be able to save time writing note or listening to the audio or watching the video again just to get the vital information within that meeting. So it structures everything according to how the meeting went, and it gives you an overview of whatever went ahead and the main thing. So it basically summarizes everything for you and you are just good to go. Yeah, but now here's the truth. AI is not here to replace our job, but it will definitely replace someone who is not using AI to their advantage. That's the truth. And if you use these 5 tools properly, you'll be ahead as someone who is just going the normal route, not using AI to the advantage. So, and if this help you, I'll make a part 2 with more advanced AI tools. So comment part 2 in the comment, and I'll see you guys. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video.